Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my garden. I bought two huge climbing roses. Um, this is the variety. These will have huge white flowers and I can't wait for them to bloom. I will plant these next to the trellis. I have two small climbers there, but I just don't have the patience to wait for them to grow. And I will move those in a different place because I will install a new arbor this year. These are so huge, you guys. These have like 2.5 meters already. So these will look great on the trellis. So these are the white climbers I planted last year and they didn't do so well. They have new growth on them, but I just don't have the patience to wait them grow. I will move this in a different place, as I said before, and I will plant the big ones directly here in the ground.